Good morning, everyone. Today, I will discuss the meaning and functions of financial services. So, starting the session with the meaning of financial services, and firstly, I will explain the dictionary meaning. Financial services are defined as accounts, services, industries, and service providers that are related to money. It includes four parties. First is accounts, second, services, third, industries, and fourth are the service provider. And all these four parties are related to money. Talking about the examples of financial services are first, accounts, like checking accounts, saving accounts, investment, as well as credit and loans for homes, cars, personal, and business needs. So, account related activities like checking the accounts in saving accounts, current accounts, and doing the investment, as well as providing the loans for home, for car, for personal use, and to meet the business requirement is a part of accounts. Second is services like investment services, retirement planning, and mortgage brokers. So the institutions, those who are providing services with respect to investment and doing the retirement planning, as well as the brokers, are the part of services. Industries includes the banks, saving institutions, credit unions, and credit card companies. So the industries which involve in financial services, that may be your bank, that may be your saving institutions or credit card companies. Service providers, they may be your accountants and financial planners who help you in recording the books of account as well as planning your financial activities. So, the next question is, what do you mean by financial services? So, financial services in general, we can define all types of activities which are of financial nature could be brought under the term financial services. And the term financial services in broad sense means mobilizing and allocating savings. Thus, it includes all activities which are involved in the transformation of savings into investment. So, the first thing which comes under financial services, that whatever the activities which are involved here is related to financial terms. And another thing that is the most important is to procure the fund or to mobilize the savings, and next thing is to convert them or transform them into the investment. So, financial services can also be termed as financial intermediary, and financial intermediation is a process by which funds are mobilizing from a large number of savers and make them available to all those who are in need of it, and particularly it is available to corporate customers. So here we can say financial services is related to money, and where it involves two parties, one who are in need of money and one who are saving the money for the purpose of investment. So the service provider is making arrangement of the money and making it available to other parties, those who are in need of money and want to invest and extend their business. Thus, financial service sector is a key area and it is very vital for industrial developments. A well-developed financial service industry is absolutely necessary to mobilize the savings and to allocate them to the various investable channels and thereby to promote industrial development in a country. Now, next thing I am going to discuss is the functions of financial services. So, following are the main functions of financial services. The first function is facilitating transaction. The another function of financial services is mobilizing savings. Third function is allocating capital funds. Fourth function is monitoring managers. And the last and the fifth function of financial services is transforming risk. So the first function of financial services is facilitating transactions, and the transactions can be facilitated only after the exchange of goods and services took place in the economy. Another function is mobilizing savings. So the purpose of financial services is to mobilize the saving from large number of savers and make them available to the corporate customers who are in need of money to invest into their business. Third function is allocating capital funds, and these are specific to the finance productive investment, which increases the value of money in the future. The next function is to monitor the managers so that the funds which is allocated will spend as envisaged, and we can say it is efficiently and effectively utilized. And the last function is transforming risk, which is reduced through aggregation and enabling it to carry by those who are willing to bear it more. Thank you everyone. That's all for today. We will be meeting in the next session. Thank you.